Now, today's learning outcomes will be, we will understand at the end of the lesson that what is the single circulation and what is double circulation. We will also learn about systemic circulation and pulmonary circulation. Now, if you have not gone through the previous videos where I have taught you about the position of the heart, whereas the main blood vessels which are entering the heart, the arteries and the veins which are entering as well as leaving the heart, then it will be quite difficult for you to understand this double circulation episode. So if you have not gone through that video particularly, please do go through it. I am putting the link above, and try to go through it twice or thrice so that when you are quite clear with that video, you can proceed with this one, as here we will be dealing about the vessels, veins which are taking blood to the heart and taking away blood from the heart. So it should be very clear that which are the blood vessels which are taking blood towards the heart and away from the heart. And if you are not clear with that, it will be very difficult. So I am putting the link above. Please go through it. Now let us start with today's topic. Now in this slide we are discussing about what is double circulation, what is single circulation, and how it can be explained. Let us start. Now the circulation of blood in human heart is called double because the circulation takes place, the blood enters the heart twice and leaves the heart twice in each heartbeat. So it enters the heart and leaves the heart twice in each heartbeat. So this we will be discussing in details when we are studying about the cardiac cycle of the heart. So that will be the next video. When we are discussing about the cardiac cycle, we will be discussing about it in details. Now just understand that as it enters twice and leaves the heart twice, it is called double circulation. So then what is single circulation? Now the type of circulatory system which occurs in fishes in which the blood passes only once through the heart in each heartbeat or in each complete circuit of the body is called single circulation. So this type of circulatory system occurs in mainly fishes. Now next we should say that we should know the term systemic circulation and pulmonary circulation. Now the circulation of blood between the heart and the body organs is called the systemic circulation. Now this is except the lungs. So in this systemic circulation, the blood passes from the heart to the body organs except the lungs. This is systemic circulation. Next comes the pulmonary circulation. The circulation of blood within the heart and the lungs is called the pulmonary circulation. So previously it was except the lungs, and here it is blood and the heart and the lungs is called the pulmonary circulation. Now we will move on to the pictorial representation of this double circulation and what is systemic and what is pulmonary circulation. Here we are going to discuss about the pictorial representation of how the double circulation is happening. So double circulation is comprising of both the pulmonary circulation as well as the systemic circulation. So what is happening in the systemic circulation? Systemic circulation, we have told in the previous slide that systemic circulation is between the heart and the body organs. It is the systemic circulation. And pulmonary circulation is between the heart and the lungs. Now let us first concentrate in systemic circulation. Now suppose we are concentrating our cursor over here. This is the left ventricle. Now left ventricle is pumping out the oxygenated blood. So please just listen to my words very carefully and look at the pointer I am pointing. So left ventricle, it is pumping out the blood, oxygenated blood through the aorta into the systemic aorta. Aorta gives off branches here, you can see. So some blood is being diverted to the liver, some to the mesenteric arteries, some to the digestive tract and all, some to the kidneys through renal artery, now through the iliac artery to the trunk and the legs. Now it is not, here you are seeing that here it is all giving to all the body parts but except the lungs. It is not giving any blood to the lungs. What is happening? from the lungs they are receiving the oxygenated blood through the pulmonary vein, and through the aorta in this systemic circulation. This part is systemic circulation. It is giving or transporting blood to the different parts of the body. Again, how the pulmonary circulation is happening? Now here, the blood through the lower part of the body, the deoxygenated blood is being transported to the right auricle through the superior vena cava and the inferior vena cava. So they are carrying the deoxygenated blood from different parts of the body. Then what is happening? Now from the right ventricle via the pulmonary artery, the deoxygenated blood is pumped out to the lungs for purification, or for combining it with oxygen and carbon dioxide is being expelled out from the lungs. Again, that is getting purified in the lungs, and the oxygenated blood through the pulmonary vein is reaching the left auricle. So this process goes on, and this is within a fraction of what we are saying, that within one heartbeat. So within one heartbeat, this whole thing occurs twice in the heart. So that is why it is called double circulation. Now, another important thing is that in this four-chambered heart, it doesn't allow the blood to mix, because the right auricle and the left auricle, the right auricle as well as the left ventricle, they receive deoxygenated blood, and while the left auricle and the left ventricle, they receive the oxygenated blood. So left auricle, left ventricle receiving oxygenated blood, and right auricle, right ventricle receiving deoxygenated blood. So the blood will never get mixed. So is it clear to everyone? If there is any doubt regarding this double circulation, please do ask me, dear students. And if you have not gone through the previous slides, I am again and again putting the links. Go through it. Unless and until you go through those, you will not be able to understand this complex things. So go to your textbook, whatever textbook you are reading, go through it so that it is clear. If it is not at all clear, go through my video again. Okay, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to like and share. So this is all for today's episode, and next episode we'll be discussing about the cardiac cycle. Thank you.